Hi guys, in today's video, we're going to learn how to enable a printer-friendly version of your posts. So let's get started. On the Wix editor, go to Pages and menu on the left, go to Blog Pages, and then go to Post. Click on your post element and go to Settings. Here, go to the Display tab and scroll down until you reach the Share and Print option. Click on it, and here make sure that the Enable Share and Print icons toggle is turned on. Also below, make sure that you tick the checkbox for Print Post. Once you're done, you can then close this window and hit the Publish button so that the changes you've made will reflect on your live site. And your posts will be printer friendly. And that's it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.